Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Bailey cinnamon churro banana bread French toast with some homemade caramel. Now this is the banana bread that I made in my previous video. Go ahead and check it out. Now we're going to start off by making our French toast batter with some sugar, egg, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt. Mix that all together. Add your cinnamon churro Baileys. You can add some milk or some heavy cream. Make that and set aside. So we're gonna start a caramel. So we're gonna pour our sugar in a pan over low heat. Have that sugar just melt and turn into a liquid. Or you can just stir it like I'm doing. So stir your sugar, and it's gonna dissolve, turn into a liquid. It takes a while, so you gotta have some patience. So you see that sugar is now dissolved liquid. You're gonna add some whole butter, mix it in. It's gonna sizzle, but that's totally fine. After that, you're gonna add your cream to it. I added some of the Bailey cinnamon churro to it. There you go. On a hot griddle or even in a pan, and add some butter. So coat your banana bread in the French toast mix you made earlier. Cook on both sides until it has a nice color. Then we're gonna do some macerated fruits. Have your strawberry, blueberries, blackberry, whatever berries you want, with some sugar. And you can do a little water or some alcohol if you want, whatever flavor you want. There you go. Your Bailey cinnamon churro banana bread French toast with some homemade caramel. Enjoy. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.